Things escalate between Zoleka and Lazarus, leading to Laz being kicked out of the main bedroom after he questions Zoleka's loyalty. Qawe and Azanda are baffled with the tension. The Mabandlas want Ogutle's umbilical cord so they can bury it kwamabandla, but Uzethu already buried it kwasithole. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Things get worse and worse between Zoe and Laz because after Laz went to fetch Uzoleka kwaHlathi, he is not at peace with this because he says Zoleka knew exactly what she was doing when she went to her ex's house after they had a fight. Actually, I can't take out this picture of you and Hlathi together. It's like you left me to go to Hlathi. How dare you think that after an argument I'll go to another man's arms? How dare you do that? You're questioning my loyalty, you're questioning my character. Laz tries to apologize, would say that's how I felt. Just look at it the way I said. You went to Tataga Bavumile. A biological date like that doesn't feel right. I said, Laz, I chose you over and over again, but this is how you do it. They're busy arguing. Qawe and Azanda come up and they find them arguing. Tense endlini. Now they go to the bedroom to talk there. Laz tries to apologize, saying, I stopped understanding things from your perspective. I want us to just talk and just hash things out. But Zoleka is like, as in, I accept your apology. But apology, forgiveness, ne trust are two different things. The fact that you question my character, thinking that I'd go to Hlathi and be sleeping with Hlathi because I slept there, is just too much for me. So I need you to get out of our bedroom and sleep wherever, spare room, whichever room that you want to sleep in. Laz cannot believe it. Now Azanda tries to talk to Laz, I see things are getting between you and Zoleka. What's really going on? Laz even saying it just keeps getting worse and worse. The only person that I can talk to, I can't even reach out to her. You can just see what's good tense, man. And they're always so lovey-dovey, always affectionate. So this is just so awkward for them. This is very, very rough patch for them. Now, Uzethu is all bubbly, all happy, Oguhle. Ever since the incident of her throwing Oguhle Epinini, like she's been a good mom, present. Uhle nagasakhali for some reason. Even Umamkhulu Uthokozile is saying that she wishes she raised her kids, but she was too late. Now the Mabandlas are busy. Utumeka saying that Hlathi must cook for her since he made breakfast for Zoleka. They're even laughing at him because now he's cooking dinner. So now they're thinking they need to go and talk to Zethu about umbilical cord so that they can come and bury it kwamabandla with the rest of the other kids, Ulikamva no Yanga, where they buried it. But Utulana is like, no, let's do this singalwi and not be rude. Let's just go in there ngomoya uphansi nothandeka. They always come as lomndeni umama no tata Xolani. They decided they're going to go there because by now they're going saying ukuthi simhlawulile umntwana but asambeni ngomoya omuhle. Kanti inkaba already the umbilical cord already fell and Uzethu saw it Thokozile, but the umbilical cord fell already. And bayangcwaba ke. Now the Mabandlas come uNtsiki Thandeka noThumeka. They start saying, giving their whole speech, the umbilical cord is very important. Usiko, it's cultural, tradition, blah, blah, blah. So we'd like Okuhle's one to also be buried kwamabandla. And then to me, I asked, is it fallen yet? Uzethu vele athi, yes, it did this morning. Manje inkaba, where is it? Athi sinqwabile. They buried it already, was tall in the backyard. Thumeka froze because what do you mean you buried it? Because they really wanted it to go and bury it kwamabandla. Ziyakhala. Uhlathi is also happy that Uwavumile also got to sleep kwamabandla for the first time, and he says that he wants to have a relationship nomntanakhe. Usid was also just reflecting on his life that he doesn't have a relationship no butwakhe, and that he thinks history is repeating itself because now Ulwandle is also like relationship has also been tainted. So nje, wish. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.